What's up, everyone? Welcome to a college day in my life. So it is a Monday. It is raining out. It's very dark, but oh, that's awkward. There's no more water left. But we are gonna have a very productive day. The first thing I'm gonna do is make a to-do list because we do have a good bit of things to get done today, and I just want to make sure that I have enough time for all of it. Write it all down. So I missed. It's okay. LOL. Oh, I need to take out garbage on that list too. Okay, so there's like 4 things in my mind that I want to get done today. So I think I'm gonna write those down, and then I guess we'll figure out what else there is to do. So I want to edit a video. Oh, get the groceries. That's 3 to 5. Get groceries. If you don't know, we do like grocery delivery. It's just through Peapod. I think it's through like the Stop and Shop in our area. I live in Washington, D.C. if you don't know. Basically, they just deliver your groceries for you. So I did it from 3 to 5 today, so I have to go get that. And I guess we'll check if I have anything else. Okay, so it is a pretty hefty to-do list, but it's okay. We're gonna get it all done. It is currently 11 o'clock. We have class in 10 minutes, so there's nothing Did you guys hear that? I feel like in these 10 minutes, I could probably make up a graphic for the podcast. So I'm gonna do that, and then time to go to class. So we have class today, but good. It's gonna be a long day, but like it's all right. Okay, so this is what I made real quick. It just says you'll be amazed at what you attract after you start believing in what you deserve. And if you guys don't follow the podcast Instagram, I recommend you do. So we like to do Mondays and Fridays posting like inspirational stuff or like affirmations, and then Wednesday is when we will post our like episode promo or like telling them that there's a new episode. So I don't know, I really like this part of it. I just use Canva, and there's a lot of like pre-made templates. I just always go in and change colors and fonts and everything and kind of make it whatever we want to make it. But yeah, we like to just make a bunch of random ones, and then we put it in our shared album, and then we'll just be like, hey, want to post this one or whatever. So it's always good to have extra. I'm probably gonna make a few more throughout the day, but I am happy I got that done. It's now 11:09, so gotta go to class, but I'm happy this got done, or at least one got done. Well, it is 12:36, so class just ended, and I have another class at 1:10. So normally in like this little time, I'll go eat like lunch or something, but I'm not hungry right now, so clean, I guess, then class, and then we'll get on with the day. I feel like once classes end, that's when my day really starts, because most of the day I'm just sitting here looking at my computer screen, listening to a teacher talk. So kind of embarrassed at how many dishes there are to do, but I refuse to buy paper plates. I'm just not gonna do it. So I'm stuck doing many dishes. Okay, we are back in our infamous spot for classes. There was something that I really needed to add onto this list that I didn't, but I'm really thankful. I just got an email from my advisor basically saying that we have to fill out a tentative schedule for spring 2020, and then they have to go over it and just say like, yes, you can take that, or no, don't take that, whatever. Insane. It's already time to make my schedule for the spring, but it is what it is. Time is just going by so quickly, so I'm gonna add that to the to-do list. Even if I don't get in the tentative schedule to my advisor today, I at least want to have like an overview or just an idea of the type of classes. It's just hard because I need to know if I'm going to be online or in person, because online my schedule is fine, you know. I wake up at 9, go to class whenever, like it's cool because I'm at home all day. But if it's going to be in person, I kind of need to allot time for like walking from my apartment to campus. I need to allot time to you know, get building to building. Like I need to figure out, oh, like am I going to eat lunch here, or what am I going to do? Like there is a difference between online classes and in-person classes, so that's kind of the only problem I feel like I'm going to stumble upon. Because if it's online, I'm probably going to do the exact same schedule I have right now. But if it's in person, I do want to switch that up a little bit just so I don't have like breaks in between classes and stuff. Okay, well, I'm going to log on to this class, and then I'll update you guys in a little bit and we'll see. I guess we can start looking at our classes for the spring. Actually, I want to eat lunch and take a little break, but I'll get into that later in a little bit. Let me go on to this class. So I'm a very happy girl. My professor ended class a little bit early, but he also assigned an essay, but it's not due for a month, which is great. I love that. I probably won't start that essay today, but I am gonna try to start it now and just kind of get it over with. What else? Oh, I have a project in my media production class, but again, not due to the end of the month. And then we have a discussion post and an assignment, and that's due on Sunday. So that's really the only like outstanding work I need to do right now. But other than that, we're good. So we're done with classes for the day. We're still gonna do a little bit more, but I think I'm gonna go eat lunch because I am kind of hungry, and then we'll go back to lunch. I mean, work. We'll go back to doing work. Okay, so for lunch today, we're gonna be making little pizzas. I'm gonna make one for my brother and I, and it's so simple and easy. We do this all the time. I don't even know who told us about it, but just take tortillas. We're just gonna have one each. These are a little bit thicker, and then some pizza sauce. And you wanna put that all around the pizza. What I was saying earlier was that every single day, no matter how busy, no matter how productive, chill, whatever type of day it is, I always cut out time to watch YouTube videos. So as you can see, take the pizza sauce and put it around. It's literally just like making a pizza. After that, you just put cheese on it. So I'm gonna use Mexican cheese and then mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna put some pepperoni on my pizza. I have always been a pepperoni girl. I love it so much. Funny story, quick story time. When I was younger at school, they asked me like what I was allergic to, but I guess in my head, at least that's what I say to justify it, I said that I'm allergic to pepperoni, but I meant to say it's my favorite food. I don't know where the disconnect was, but whatever. And then my entire life, there was never any meals that included pepperoni, so it never mattered. Then I got to middle school, and they were serving pizza, and it was pepperoni pizza, and this was like the good pizza, not like the square one, like an actual slice of pizza. And I picked up the pepperoni and they were like, you can't have this. And they took it from me and gave me cheese. And I was like, but I really want pepperoni. And they were like, well, you're allergic to it. And I was like, no, I'm not. I'm not allergic to it. Like, what are you talking about? And they were like, it says it right here on your record. And then I delved so deep back into my memories and realized that I told the lady I was allergic to pepperoni. And then basically just had to have my mom go and tell them I'm not allergic to it, and they let me have it. But isn't that like a crazy story? So this is what it looks like once it comes out the oven. It's just a thin piece of pizza, but it is so good. So I'm just gonna be watching some YouTube videos for the next little bit. Yeah, that's it. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, so it is now 3:15, which means we're gonna sit here for the next like 3 hours. Around like 6 o'clock is when I like to shut my laptop down and like be done with my schoolwork / like YouTube stuff for the day, and then just kind of hang out the rest of the night. I actually do have a night routine up on this channel already, so if you want to go see that, you can go click that. But so yeah, we have 3 hours, and I'm probably going to start an assignment. I'll probably edit a video. I'll start looking at the spring 2021 stuff and maybe do some more graphics for the podcast. I don't know, just tech stuff. I do that from like after my lunch on the rest of the day until it's time for bed again. But we're at a good point in the day. I feel like I have enough stuff to do to last me all this time, but like not too much that I feel like stressed or anything. A lot of the stuff actually isn't due for a while, or I don't have to have it done right in this exact moment, so it's pretty good. But I do like to be ahead in all areas, you know, like podcast, videos, school. I love to be ahead, so always getting ahead when I can. Like I said, it's 3:15 and the groceries can come between now and 5 o'clock, so whenever those come, we'll go get them. But other than that, we're just gonna be doing some work on the laptop. Good news, I finished that assignment. It was really quick, but I just got a text that the groceries are gonna be here any minute now. So I'm just gonna hang out until they come, maybe start editing a video. Kind of just see what's going on, I guess. It's kind of like that weird limbo period, because it can be anywhere from like, it's downstairs right now, or like not for like another 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna sit near my phone, see what comes up, and then I will give you guys a grocery haul after I go get them. Okay, very quick haul because I want to go back to work, but I got this frozen pumpkin pie. I just thought it'd be good. It'd be good for the fall season. Then we have 2 bags of these Tyson honey breast tenders. We love these. We go through these so quickly. So I was like, let me just get 2 instead of having to like ration it out for the week because we love them so much. Then we have a box of bagel bites, self-explanatory. A thing of Texas toast, self-explanatory. Oh, this is awkward. I thought this was a box, but I guess we only got 1. Jamaican spicy beef patty. I know my brother likes these, so I got them, but it only came with 1. I thought it came with like 12, but okay. Then I got a pack of the P.F. Chang's orange chicken. This is also really good. We just put it on the stove. It cooks in like 20 minutes, and then we have a thing of rice. And I feel like I'm at P.F. Chang's. I love P.F. Chang's, but I don't think there's one near here that I can like get to easily, so always have this. Then in here we have a thing of ground beef, just like a small one. I'm gonna make like taco bowl dish things tonight, so need these. Then for fruit this week, I got a thing of blueberries and then just some green grapes. We also have a pound of yellow American cheese. We go through this so quickly because we make grilled cheese a lot and then also just regular sandwiches a lot, so always need this. Then I got a loaf of sourdough bread. Again, we love sourdough bread. I feel like we just heat it up and eat it for a snack sometimes. It's so good. Last but not least, we just got a pack of the like variety pack of chips. This is not the normal one that we get. I think they had to substitute it because they didn't have the normal one, but yep, those are all the groceries we got. I'm gonna put them away and then go back to doing work because we have like 2 hours until it's time for me to go to bed. Get ready for bed, not go to bed. Okay, so I began looking at classes for spring 2021, and so far this is what I found. So we would do Monday, Wednesday, Friday Spanish 2 from 9:10 to 10. I do that now. I mean, I don't really like getting up that early and then learning a language that I'm really not the best at, but like I really wouldn't want to take it any other time either. And then we would be looking at Mondays and Wednesdays script writing from 12:30 to 3. If you don't know, my major is TV and film production, so that's all in my major. There's also an audio class. There's another media production 2 class. See, the thing is, the problem that I'm coming across, the classes are very long for my major, and although they're only either like once a week or twice a week instead of like every day or every other day or whatever, they are so long. Like I just said, this script writing class is 12:30 to 3. The audio class, which would only be on Tuesdays, is 4:10 to 6:30, and that's the only time you can take it. So I'm pretty sure it's only offered Tuesdays or Wednesdays, but either or, it's 4:10 to 6:30. I have a lot of pride in the fact that I'm able to pick classes that end very early, and it doesn't make me happy that this one's so late. It's just once a day, but like, I mean once a week, but I don't know, that's so long, but that's what I found so far. And then I also have a media production class from 10:10 to 12:30, and that's on Thursdays. The problem that I'm coming across is because these classes are only like once a week, I can't fit anything else in between, so you know what I mean? Like my classes that would be Tuesdays and Thursdays, I can't really figure them out because this media production class is 10 to 12 but only on Thursdays. But then like Tuesdays, I can't pick a class 10 to 12 because it would run into Thursdays because Tuesday, Thursday. Does that make sense? Point is, it's complicated to figure out right now. So I'm gonna go on DegreeWorks, and if you guys don't have DegreeWorks, I feel very sorry for you. It's through your school, and it's gonna tell me exactly which classes to take, when to take them, everything. I don't know if every single school has this, but Howard uses it, and my thing is up to date, and it's been working pretty good for me. I know not everyone it works for, but I really like it. So basically it just tells me like how far along I am with my degree. So right now I'm 52% done with it. Happy about that. And then basically I can just go down this list and it's gonna tell me all the classes I need to take still. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's just an example like this. So like again, I still need another Spanish, so it has me as Spanish 1, but then it says I need 1 class in Spanish 2. So I would just click Spanish 2, and then we have all the options for spring 2021, and that's how I found the 9:10 to 10 class at 9:40. And none of this is like set in stone yet, so I've just been like plugging it in on Google Docs. But that is what we are working with right now. Again, very rough schedule right now. I feel like this is not going to stay at all just because it doesn't even work. pretty, like, the only class that really works is this Spanish class. So I think I'm gonna email my advisor and set up like a Zoom call and see if she can like guide me through it. 5:04, so we're good. We have like an hour until I put all this away and go do what I want to do for the night. So set, I can probably edit that video in like 15 minutes, just a talking video, nothing crazy. So yes, I am very pleased with the work that we got done today. It's been a pretty productive day, I'd say. This is the most that I've done in a very long time, so good for me, great for you guys, because that means you get to see more content and better content because I'm not stressed. Okay, let me go finish this work. Well, do you guys see that little circle thing? That is confirmation that my video is downloading and I can upload it. So I finished editing, yay! I'm always really happy when I get the work done that I had intended to for the day, because then I can start new work. So I got this video edited. Now I have the, like, what's the word? Like the confidence that I can go start my next one, and this one's all good with. This video is actually not going up for like 2 weeks. So amazing, 2 weeks ahead of schedule. That is great in the YouTube world, so I'm so happy with that. Also got the work done. We cleaned, we had our groceries delivered. Yeah, I mean, it's been a pretty good day if I have to say so myself. So that is going to bring me to the end of this video. So if you guys enjoyed, all my socials will be right here on the screen as well as in the description box down below. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 12 o'clock, and make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on any uploads. But I will see you guys next time.